What's up, curl gang? It's your girl Lalaslim here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from this to this. Just keep watching. Don't mind me, I gained some quarantine weight. So look, y'all. Let me tell you guys what I'll be using today. Leave-in conditioner of your choice, oil of your choice, a paddle brush or a demi brush, whichever you prefer, a spray bottle of water. It's best to do this technique on damp hair, maybe after you finish washing your hair. Don't mind me, I'm just feeling myself a little bit, you know, like my hair was feeling dry, looking dry, but I was still owning it. Alright, let me be serious. First, you take a small section from the front and then you separate it from the rest of the hair. This part was already damp, so I didn't even need to add any water. All I did was added my leave-in conditioner. I actually needed to add a little bit more because a little doesn't go a long way when it comes to having natural hair. Now it's time to use the paddle brush or the demi brush for you guys, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna brush it from the bottom and work your way up. Basically, that will help you detangle the right way. After you feel like your hair is properly detangled, you're going to start from the top and work your way down, and then you guys will be seeing how defined your curls become. This part of my hair felt a little bit dry, so what I did was I sprayed it with a little bit of water from the spray bottle, and then I added my leave-in conditioner. I kind of fast forward a little bit because I didn't want this to be a super long video, but if you guys want to know the products that I use, I will be leaving them in the description bar and then letting you guys know where you guys can find them. I want to say I'm sorry in advance because of how blurry the video quality is, because I forgot to clean my lens before recording and I didn't want to have to do all this over to show you guys how I do it because I don't have a lot of time, so I'm sorry in advance, guys. I promise the second part is less blurry, and if you guys want to see more of me and like, you know, what I do in my everyday life, you guys can go ahead and follow me on the social medias that I have on the description bar below. You can go ahead and check it out, and you know, follow me on Instagram. The name on there is Lalaslim22, and that's where I post the most other than YouTube. Okay, back to the video. So I think that you guys can do this with pretty much any natural hair texture. You just need to take your time to detangle properly so that you guys can get good results. If you guys have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram, or you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. I really hope you guys watch this all the way to the end because I will be showing you guys how I get my hair looking really full. To give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this about the hair. You know, I do a lot of different content, makeup, lifestyle, all of that. If y'all want to see it, hop on my channel, subscribe so you can always get a notification whenever I post a new video. Look at the difference between the left and the right side of my hair. The left side that you guys are looking at, that's the part that has not even been moisturized, and that's the dry part. You guys can tell it's an obvious change once you add the moisturizer. If you guys haven't had a chance to check out my protein treatment video, on how to grow my hair. I'll be sure to link it on the top right corner so that you guys can have access to it. If you guys made it this far into my video, go ahead and type in Curl Gang at the very bottom so I can know that you guys are rocking with me. And here I was thinking I could dance again. While you're applying your leave-in conditioner, and if you realize that you need a little bit more, it's okay to add a little bit more. It's not going to weigh your hair down too much. As a matter of fact, it might be better that you guys add a little bit more, so that way it will not be frizzy once you finish. If you guys know a different way that you can do this, you can go ahead and leave it down in the comments and I'll take a look at it and probably try it out to see if I like it myself. Every time I'm doing my hair, I always end up fighting with them somehow. You see how my hair keeps falling down and covering my glasses? Yeah, that's kind of why sometimes my glasses look dirty. It's the hair products that are on my glasses. It always feels like there's some kind of hope every time I'm almost done with my hair. You guys see I look a little bit happier now, right? Okay, so now it's time to add your hair oil. Make sure your hair oil is not a thick consistency, because if it is, then it could possibly weigh your hair down. Like for example, castor oil would not be a good match for this because castor oil weighs your hair down. I will also leave a list of oils that you can use in place so that you can be able to get the results you want. Alright, now it's time where you tilt your head forward and then you shake off your hair, basically trying to fluff it out. As you can see, my hair looks more full now. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this.